Hello guys, as we know that the motor of a food processor works simultaneously, so there are other things that we need to consider. So for an example, whenever you are using a blender making a smoothie or any other thing, you also need to connect the jar, the bowl. However, all the accessories inside the bowl, for as long as you're not using the bowl, you can take them off. The bowl alone, it's able to activate the switch. You'll be able to use your however, if you want to use only the food processor, so you can use this blank. It has got an arrow here. Even the motor has got an arrow, so you align the arrow and then you lock it. On the other side, you will have everything inside the way you want, and then this way you'll be able to use the bowl without the jack, because this will be activating the switch for the jack. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at AC Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.